to today's vlog. So today is going to be a travel with me video. I'm currently at the railway station and it's almost 5 o'clock, so it's 4:50 a.m. I have my train to catch. I had said in my last video that I wasn't spending Christmas in Wrocław, so here I am waiting for my train at 5:38. So come along with me. We're going out of Poland today, so let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
And here we are, Berlin. So guys, I've been meaning to travel for the longest. I just woke up this day and I decided, you know what, let's go on a solo trip to any city. I just picked Berlin and Prague. So this was me doing my first ever solo trip. So guys, I've arrived and I decided to grab a cup of coffee and croissant. And here is my luggage. And guys, I'm waiting for my Uber. So the Uber has arrived and it's time to go. Solo trips are very scary because you get to travel all by yourself, but at the same time it's a very beautiful experience because you get to see the world by yourself. You get to take time off yourself. So what I did was I just made a budget, booked the hotel, got the train tickets, and I packed my bags, and here I was. This was going to be my first Christmas alone because other Christmas I spent with my friends, but this time I was going to be alone. So it was unexpected. I had no plans. I was just going with the flow. So let's go into the room now. Okay, so this is home for the next couple of days. Such a comfy bed. And this is the bathroom. Nice. This mall looks really beautiful from outside. I just hope it's open because, oh, look at me, I'm at O2 O2 Arena. So trying to see if I can get something for the night. Totally skipped my mind that today is the 24th of December. I may not have what to eat, but it's okay. So guys, in the quest for food, the only place that is open is KFC, and I'm currently on a queue, hoping that the food doesn't finish before it gets to my turn. I couldn't even find where to buy water. So next time, I need to take these things into consideration. So guys, thankfully I was able to get something to eat. I stood outside for some time. I'm freezing. Everywhere is cold. Everywhere is closed. And yeah, at least I'm able to get stuff to eat for tonight. So tomorrow I will sort myself out. But for tonight, Merry Christmas Eve or whatever. Yeah. So I'm going back to my hotel room now to just eat and just call home, speak with my family, watch a movie or something, and just call it a night. So good night, I guess. Guys, good morning guys, welcome back. Merry Christmas guys, Merry Christmas guys. Today is Christmas Day. I hope you guys are having fun with your family members. I'm out here alone doing a solo Christmas and everything. Yeah, so I just woke up, going to grab breakfast soon. Spoken to some of my family members and my friends. But yeah, guys, this is me checking in this morning. I hope you guys are good. I slept so well, guys. I slept so freaking well. The bed here is comfy. Like, it's so comfortable. Anyways, guys, so let's go and get breakfast, okay? Just freshen up a little and then go and grab breakfast. Also, guys, I am going to be taking extra food up because today is Christmas Day, and like we know from yesterday, the shops were open. Were not open. So like we know from yesterday, the shops were not open. So I'm going to have to like take extra stuff just to have towards lunchtime. So let's go. So one thing I took extra care of was the fact that when I was booking the hotel, I made sure that the hotel I booked had breakfast included in the bill, because like I said, I didn't have any plans, and for food I wanted it to be covered, at least my breakfast. As we all know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I wanted that part to be covered and I could figure out lunch and whatever. So that is one tip for you in case you are intending to become a solo traveler like me. You could also try the Airbnb option, which would mean that the house would already come with a kitchen and a stove, so you just need to buy like groceries and cook up food for yourself. But me, I really wanted to just have a holiday where I wasn't doing any cooking, cleaning or anything of that sort. I just wanted to relax and be taken care of, so that was what I was about this vacation. Guys, Merry Christmas again from the city of Berlin. Okay, this is just me being vain. Guys, again, hello. So today we're just Christmas Day. I'm this tram. So guys, I'm just taking a walk around the hotel to see what is happening, and also look for something to eat and just spend the Christmas on the streets. So let's go. So guys, now we're going to this Christmas market here. Of course, you have to show that you've been vaccinated and you have to be with your mask to follow the COVID-19 protocols here. So let's go inside. I got connected with some mutual friends, and I decided to spend Christmas there. So this is me on my way to the place where I was going to be spending the rest of the Christmas. There was a lot of jollof rice, there was a lot of meat, suya, everything. Like, this was the best. We watched movies, we played games. It ended up being a not so solo Christmas. I had a lot of fun. So I'm going to be learning how to fly a drone. So this is what we have here. This is the DJI, and this is what the drone is. So we're putting in the battery.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I turn it on here?
No, not yet.
Okay, sorry.
Turn this one on first.
In case you've ever wondered how this thing works, here you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we also need to connect the phone to this.
A phone?
Yep.
Ah. What's the phone for?
To see the video from there and also to control it. So the app is installed on the phone.
Oh, what's the name of the app, please?
It's DJI.
Okay, DJ. Okay, the same. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So this is the app, but then I have to turn this on. So.
And this can work with any kind of phone, yeah?
Yeah.
Android, iPhone. Ah, okay. This is my legs.
So yes.
How do we find now then?
So to turn it on, you need to touch this button. No, this one. And then you need to update first.
Okay, so the firmware is updating, currently at 65%. Does this like happen every time or occasional updates?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right. All right, so wait for it to update.
I think I have this.
What is this one now?
This is to protect the wing.
So it came like with the pack.
Yes, I bought it with.
Okay, you bought it separately or together?
I think I bought it separately. Yeah.
So what is this called? Like drone shield or something like that?
Something like propeller shield.
Propeller shield.
Flight saved it updated successfully.
Okay, updated. Okay, so let's cover it now so it doesn't go and cut something that is not supposed to cut.
But if it's that high in the air, how do you see it, man?
You're not looking at it, you're looking at the video.
At the video or the camera, that's why you have the phone attached to it. Yeah, that is set up. And it's time to go, I think.
Yeah, the firmware update is complete.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shining green now, see it.
Oh, man.
So you can stay there.
I should stay here.
You can see.
Oh, that is me. Hi.
Then to go, this is to go up.
So if I should press here, it goes up.
I can't see the drone, okay.
So the left one up a little. The left one, not the right one.
Left, what's left is right.
Left!
So up a little and down.
I see it's coming out. I can see the top of my head. Okay, come down. Wow. So how can I move it forward?
You know it's back in there.
Yeah, okay, so if you come to my head, how does it exactly?
You need to turn the left one. Move it to the side.
Ah, cool.
Now you can move the right one forward.
Please, please, please!
Wait now. Okay, so let's turn. Hey! Come and take everyone. I'm sorry, I don't know what to do. Thank you guys. Thanks for classes. I'll try again another time. For tonight, I decided to check out the Berlin Philharmonic Hall. I wanted to watch a live orchestra. So I got the tickets online for I think 30 euros, and I decided that today was the day where I would come in and act rich, sit down in a hall and watch people play live music. So yeah guys, that was what this is all about. One thing to note is phones were not allowed inside the gallery, so you were not allowed to make any videos, so I couldn't really make videos except to just film shortly before the whole instrumental started. I'm just going to put music in the background just to serenade you, so you try to have a feel of what I had in this particular event. After the show was over, I decided to walk around and just have a view of the city at night. Guys, my entire trip in Berlin, the temperatures were very low. We're experiencing like -8 degrees, and I really did not pack for winter. I would explain. I didn't take my winter jacket. I only took a coat, so I was feeling cold most of my trip, but it was beautiful. My hands were freezing. I managed to get some shots of the views at night. Yeah, so this is it, man. I had to run inside. My fingers literally fell off. Okay guys, so now we have Mall of Berlin. I'm completely cold. I can't even feel my fingers. I don't know how I'm making this video, but yeah, this is what you get when you're out in -8 degrees at night. So guys, I want to show you this, but you can't see it because of the sun. But yeah, that's it. It's so freaking cold, guys. So freaking cold happening here. Up next, I did a little bit of walking tour around the city of Berlin. I keep saying city of Berlin. This was just not far away from where I was lodging, guys. I was so lazy on this trip. I was sleeping most of the time and doing a little bit of activity. But yeah, guys, this is a park not too far away from Alexanderplatz, which was where I was staying. And over here we have Marx and Engels, so Karl Marx. If you remember Karl Marx from economics, this is him seated there. And yeah, I just looked at the beautiful architecture. I strolled around, and here's a walking tour for you guys. So let's go.
To have on the mask that you know that you are expecting corona. Corona is not anybody.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment. I'll see you guys in the next video when we go to Prague. Bye.